Let us remember the deposition sites in primary glomerulonephritis types with the help of very easy trick. First, remember the mesangial deposits. Mesangial deposits are present in FSGS and FSGN. Along with this FSGS and FSGN, IgA also show mesangial deposits. Okay, so now we understood that FSGS, FSGN and IgA will show mesangial deposits. Now let us easily learn about the remaining things. This is the filtration barrier. Now I will be drawing. This is the filtration barrier. Basement membrane, endothelium, podocytes. Now let us see. Endothelium, podocyte. See, subendothelial deposits, that is type 1 MPGN will show subendothelial deposits. Type 1 MPGN. Now type 2 MPGN will show intramembranous deposits. Kindly listen once again. Type 1 MPGN show endothelial deposits. See, subendothelial deposits will be seen in only one type of glomerulonephritis, that is type 1 MPGN. Basement membrane, that is intramembranous, we will see type 2 MPGN and type 1 RPGN. So next, coming to the subepithelial deposits. In subepithelial deposits, as type 1 RPGN is present in intramembranous, type 2 RPGN will show subepithelial deposits. Along with this type 2 RPGN, we will see PSGN and MGN. PSGN and MGN. So let us remember once again quickly. Endothelium, MPGN type 1. Endothelium, MPGN type 1. Type 1 MPGN is over there. So in basement membrane, type 2 MPGN and type 1 RPGN. In podocytes, that is subepithelial tissue, type 2 RPGN, PSGN and MGN. Remember that PSGN and MGN will show very peculiar type of depositions. PSGN will have humpy, bumpy and lumpy depositions. MGN will show spike and dome. Spike and dome. This MGN type of depositions is very important. It is very characteristic. It will be like this. On the light microscopy, we will see this type of depositions in the MGN. So we completed these types, and we are left with two more types of primary glomerulonephritis, that is type 3 RPGN and type 3 MPGN. Now remember that this MPGN type 3, he has MP seat. So he has got MP seat, that is member of parliament. So he can go to either assembly or parliament or any constituency. So he has depositions can occur everywhere, can occur anywhere in the filtration membrane. Anywhere in the filtration membrane. Depositions can occur either subendothelial, subepithelial, intramembranous or anywhere. Now this RPGN, type 3 RPGN, he did not get any MP seat. So he has no deposits. If he contests in the elections, he will not get deposits. So this is RPGN will not get any deposits. Coming to the next type, that is minimal change disease, MCD. The name itself suggests that it has a minimum number of deposits, that is no deposits. Minimal change has no depositions. Its movement is also very, minimal change, so there will be no movement, so no foot process. For the remembrance sake, I am saying the movement, so no foot process of the podocytes. Apart from the MCD, the foot process is also absent in one more type of glomerulonephritis, that is FSGS. Even in FSGS, there is no foot process, but depositions are present in the mesangium, but the foot process is absent in FSGS. Let us learn about the contents of the depositions. See, in APGN and type 2 RPGN, that is group A beta hemolytic streptococcus. Group A beta hemolytic streptococcus in APGN and type 2 RPGN. Next, in type 1 RPGN, NC1 of alpha 3 chain of type 4 collagen is attacked, that will act as an antibody. So I am repeating again, NC1 of the alpha 3 chain of the type 4 collagen, NC1 alpha 3 type 4 of the collagen in the glomerular basement membrane. Apart from the glomerular basement membrane, in RPGN type 1, we will also see antibodies against lung alveolus, because collagen is also present in lungs. So the basement membrane of the alveolus is also attacked in type 1 RPGN. And coming to the next type, all types of the RPGN will show crescents. That's the reason why RPGN is also called as crescentic glomerulonephritis. Next, the MGN. In MGN, GP330, that is glycoprotein 330, is a fixed antigen present on the podocytes. This GP330 of the podocytes is attacked by autoantibodies. Spike and dome deposits are present in MGN because of this GP330 fixed antigen. The glomerular basement membrane is thick. Even in that case, MPGN will also show thick infiltrated glomerular basement membrane. Cells are not present in the MGN. Cellular proliferation is absent in MGN, but in MPGN there is cellular proliferation. That is double counter appearance is also seen. Now, IgA nephropathy. Here, the defective IgA is produced by the body. Then this defective IgA will act as an antigen. So to remove this defective IgA, body will produce IgA again or IgG antibodies. So the content of the deposition in IgA nephritis or Berger's disease is IgA defective plus IgA normal or IgG. Okay. Now the depositions are absent, that is depositions are absent in two types, that is minimal change disease, that is we discussed it previously, right? Type 3 RPGN and MCD does not have any deposits. Now let us see the immunofluorescence topic. The immunofluorescence, we have to remember only 3 points, that is It is negative for diseases which does not have any deposits. We already know that minimal change disease, it is minimum, so no deposits. RPGN, he did not get any MP seats, so he also does not have any deposits. So there is immunofluorescence is 0 for these two diseases. In IgA nephritis, the immunofluorescence will show IgA with IgG with C3 and properdin. IgA, IgG, C3, properdin. IgA, IgG, C3, properdin. Remember these four things for IgA nephritis or Berger's disease. Now, in remaining all cases of any case of nephritis apart from these three things, that is IgA, MCD or RPGN type 3, all the other nephritis will show IgG and C3. IgG and C3 are present in all types of glomerulonephritis. So we successfully completed the depositions portion.